Good day everyone, I'm Rodrigo Ertlin from BE Diginet 3A and I'm here today to present to you my reflection on our research. The first slide is the introduction. So our research titled The Impact of Blended Learning on the Academic Performance of Selected Grade 11 GAS Student at Kaunlaran Senior High School. So the main objective of this study was to assess the factor associated with the impact of blended learning on the academic performance of grade 11 GAS students at Kaunlaran High School. So the purpose or the importance of our study is to answer our statement of the problem. So in the statement of the problem, we have three problem, and each problem have three sub-questions. Here in the next slide is the research process. So to gather information and data, we use descriptive quantitative method because the data is represented in numerical and descriptive form. So we have 70 respondents and 20 respondents complete paper pencil survey questionnaire, and we distribute Google form to the remaining participants. Here in the next slide is the significant experience or challenges that I encounter while conducting the research. So the first one is significance. It encouraged my curiosity. Next is gathered knowledge. So I gather more information and knowledge while reviewing the RRL. Next, deeper understanding. And last is it introduced me to a new ideas or information. So the challenges that I experienced naman is limited resources, especially in the local literature, and also to the gadget like laptops and internet connection. Next is time consuming. Next is monitor the span of the students of our respondent. And the last is lack of interaction. Here, the next slide is the findings and analysis. So based on our research, the results implies that the students are still having difficulties and challenges in dealing with blended learning. So we can see that there are still a lot of factors that we need to consider, especially in the perception of the students, socioeconomics, and other difficulties. So moreover, the implementation at Kaunlaran High School may not be optimized by making target improvement to the blended learning implementation. So the researchers suggest that the Kaunlaran High School can work toward enhancing the model effectiveness in supporting the student academic achievement and performance. Next slide is my personal reflections while conducting the research and other results of the research. So conducting this research has revealed significant difficulties faced by the students during the online session, which necessary for the research to address their needs. So this process has also given me a much deeper understanding on the impact of implementation of blended learning. So as a result of this research, my perspective has been transformed. I now prioritize the student experience. I can recognize the multi-phase barrier that the students experience and embrace the uninteractive and adaptive approach. Also, this experience allowed me to be better evaluate and refine the information that I gathered. It's helped me to gather the data, enhance my critical thinking, also in problem solving, and in my collaboration with the participants and to my group mates. Ultimately, conducting research enhance positively impact to my educational outcome. In the last slide is the conclusion. So the findings in this research suggest that while blended learning can be beneficial, it requires careful consideration and supports to address the issue faced by the students. This research suggests that the enhancing the technical infrastructure, providing better support for the time management and motivation, and creating more conducive learning environment at home are essential steps to improve the effectiveness of blended learning to the students. So the suggestion for the future researcher is they should explore this study and also the other studies that will help them to create their new research that related to the impact of blended learning and the academic performance of the student. And now, this is the end of my reflection. Thank you for watching.